you've got to prove that PQ squared is equals to PW multiplied by PR. That is a similarity. Where do we start? You first do what? There's something that I told you last week. Where did we start? Where do we start? I can't hear you. I think I'm cheating around class. We're going to write it in ratio form. That is very, very correct. You're going to write it in proportion. So that is to say, PQ divided by PW is equals to PR divided by PQ. The reason for doing that is because we want to create a triangle. And then what are the methods of creating a triangle? We look at the top and the bottom, or left and right. So that is how you create a triangle. So which one is doable? I think both of them. Both of them. Which one do you love? Left and right. So it's going to be P, Q, W, and P, Q, R. It means that we're going to deal with those two things. Are we all clear there? So when you are given a question like this, rule number one, you can write it in terms of proportion or in terms of fraction. Therefore, now the reason for doing that is because you want to find the triangles that will lead you to this. Therefore, now we have realized that we're going to use PQW. PQW. That is the first triangle. And then the second one is PQR. Are all clear? Okay, therefore, let's start. Where do we start? Remember, all of them are starting from P. All of them are starting from P, the two triangles. The first one is this one. It's going there. So this is the first one. Then the second one is starting there, going this side to there. So when do we start? P2. It's equals to P2. What is the reason? Common angle. Okay. Then the second one, let's go back to the statement. The statement says that PQ is a tangent at Q. So what does that mean? We've already gotten that angle. Q1 is equals to R2. What is the reason? Tan chord. And remember, when we started, we already have it somewhere. There we go, you're just taking it and put it there. Therefore, it means that W3 is equals to, you're in the exam there. It's equals to? No. You have to understand the triangle that you're dealing with. Remember, we said P, it's common. Number two, we said that Q1 is equals to R2. It means that that is P2 and then that is R2. Then we said that W3 will be equals to, go to the bigger triangle. The bigger triangle. What is the angle that we did not do in the bigger triangle? We have done that one. We have worked on that one. What is the third one?
Q2.
It's
Q2.
Q2 and
R1.
no.
And
So it means that you don't understand the triangle that you're dealing with. Remember, that thing is going out there. In fact, you were supposed to turn it so that people can see that, hey, these people cannot identify the third angle. Let's go. Now, that shows me that you guys are not understanding the triangles that we're dealing with. That's what it means. Let's go back. We said that P2 Okay, let's go back to what we're dealing with. We're going to consider P2, R2, and then the whole of what? The whole of Q. Yeah? And then the second one is going to be P2, Q1, and W3. Then we are saying that the first one is P2. We are happy with that one. Come on. Then the second one, we say that R1, Q1, is equals to R2. And then W3, it's equals to which angle?
Q2.
It's equals to P, Q, R. The whole of this angle. Somebody say, oh no, I knew it. You didn't know it. Someone say, I said it when? Did you say it? You said Q2. So you're supposed to say Q2 and Q1. Okay, therefore that is third angle. Therefore from there, what do we do? PQ, W, it's similar to P, R, Q. Let's do those things that we normally do. PQ divided by PR, it's equals to PW, or RQ, it's equals to PW, PQ. Okay, one of the reasons why I want us to do this thing is because of the fact that, let's get the one that has 2. PQ, it's equals to PW times PR. Okay. Now, this will help us to answer the last question. What is the last question? Let's quickly do the last question. What is the last question? PQ is equals to PS. Where do we start? Where are we getting PS? Can you see PS here? That is PS. It's equals to, and then that one. I'm all clear there. Okay. Therefore, instead of that, I am going to say my PS. My PS, listen to me. My PS squared is going to be PR, and then this one. Are all clear there? Then equals to, what is my PQ? It's PW times PR. Okay? Can you see that these two are the same? Can you see that they're the same? Are you sure? So because they're the same, it means that instead of this PW multiplied by PR, I'm going to write PS. That is my PS squared. Then on the other one, I'm going to write PQ squared. Then what do? You square both sides. You square both sides. Therefore, it means that PQ is equals to PS. Then you are done. Where did we get it? We've gotten it from these two. Then you are done. No, you still want to continue. That's it.